Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to see how to create poster. So this poster I have used lots of techniques to create in Adobe Photoshop. So techniques are layer masking, shape masking and color lookup option, curves and lots of tools like quick selection tool, magic wand tool, text tool, and these are the tools which I have used to create. So let's get started. Let's start creating Leo poster in Adobe Photoshop. First, let's create the document. Go to File, New. The shortcut is Ctrl N. Just give OK. If you are missing the Layers panel in the interface, press F7 in the keyboard. Or else you can go to Window and check. Now let's import the file. Go to File, Place. Select the image and place. Now press Ctrl T to scale the image. Use Shift and Alt to scale uniform scaling. Now let me place the image. Use Shift and Alt to scale uniform scaling. Now let's place the another image. Go to File, Place, select the image and place. Let me hide it in the Layers panel. You can see there. Now select the first image. Rename it. Now select Quick Selection tool. The shortcut is W. Now let's select the sword. Just click and drag. Now use Alt and click. Select the unwanted area. That's it. Now press Ctrl C. Okay, let me give feather. Right click in the selection and give 12. Just give OK. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. It will be copied in a new layer. Now let's open the another image. Now press Ctrl T and scale it. Use Shift and Alt to scale uniform scaling. Now give create clip masking by selecting the above image and give create clip masking. Select the above image and align as you need. Now let me place it like this. Now let's select all the three layers. Now press Ctrl G, the group option. Now let me go to the adjustment layer and give color lookup option. Now just click create clip masking and let's select the filter which you need. Let me go with drop blues. That's fine with me. You can give any filter here. Now let me go to curves again. Go to the adjustment layer below there and give curves. Now let me give clip masking and give auto. It will auto correct the curves. Now this is fine. Now let me open the group. Let's go to file, select the image and place. Now I'm going to remove the title there. So go to quick selection tool and select the area which you want. Let me select this area. Now press after the selection. After the selection is done, now press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Your selection is being pasted in a new layer. Now drag and drop and place inside the group. Now press Ctrl T and scale it using Shift plus Alt. Let me place it like this. Let's select the text tool. Type the text you need. Now press Ctrl A. Over there in the top menu section, that's the area where you change the font size and everything. Now let me duplicate it. Right click the layer and duplicate and rename it. Now let me change it with another text name and go back to the character panel. Now let me change the font size, and here let me change the tracking. It gives the space between the letters. That is the area you change the. Okay, then now let me duplicate again. Duplicate the text, rename it, double click the area to rename the text. Now use arrow keys in the keyboard to drag it. Now let me go to the type tool and type the text. Let's type the text there. Use Ctrl A to select the overall text and get back to the character panel and change the font size and the tracking there. Use move tool to move it. It's up to you how you use the tracking option, font size, as well as the leading, kerning, and stuffs like that. You can see it in character panel above in the menu section. You can use Ctrl J to duplicate the text layer. Always rename the layers. It will be useful for you to find which text is it and stuffs like that. Okay, we are done with the text here. Use shift and select all the layers and use move tool and move it. Now let's go to file, place, select the logo here, place it. Now let's remove the white background. Let's go to magic wand tool. The use of magic wand tool is all about to select a solid color. Here the solid color is white. Let's select it, and now here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to invert the selection. So use Ctrl Shift I to invert this selection and give layer masking over there. Now in the layers panel you can check you got an option there. Now select that is the layer mask. To remove the area over there, go to brush tool, soft brush, erase it. You should select the layer mask there. Black will erase, and if you change to white, white will reveal. So get back to black and erase it. The layer mask option should be selected in the layers panel. Now select the layer, scale it using Ctrl T, transform option, place it there, scale it using Shift plus Alt. That's it. Now let's type the text as we did before. Duplicate it. You can use right click and duplicate layer, or else you can give Ctrl J to duplicate the text layer or any normal layer in the layers panel. Let me select all the layers and rearrange it perfectly. So this is all about creating a movie poster using Adobe Photoshop. Now let's save the image. Go to File, Save. Let's select JPEG option there and let's rename it Poster 2 and just give OK. Your JPEG file is saved. I hope the video was useful. Thank you.